Okay, good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon. Welcome to Paul's Monday Market Update number 227 for Monday, 15th of June, 2026. I hope you're well. Hope you've had a good weekend. Hope you're ready for what is going to be an interesting week ahead for us. Okay, lots going on, lots been going on, of course, and lots to come this week. So it is going to be an interesting week for us. If you are joining us for the first time, the Monday Market Update is just that. It is me flying through as much as I can share with you in the next 30 minutes, looking at strength and weakness within FX, indices and commodities markets, looking at some charts of interest you might want to add to your watch list, and then a look at the live markets. It's not a signal service. It's not trade recommendations. It's me sharing with you what I'm looking at, which might be of relevance or help to you in your own trading and investing decisions. And as always, okay, you're always very welcome here, but just remember, you're always responsible for your own trading and investing decisions. And if you want a little bit more help and support, you can also join the VTP Trader Accountability Group, which is all about helping you build discipline, accountability, and consistency in your trading, regardless of whether you've been trading for 2 months or 2 decades, or regardless of whether you're a scalper, an intraday, a position, a swing, etc. Once again, there's a bit.ly code there you can use, or the QR code. I'll take you to details. Okay, so what we also have is this is RKLB Rocket Labs. Okay, so not only has SpaceX kind of lifted most risk on assets, all right, but it also has kind of filtered through for the most part to anything involved with space. Rocket Lab, I've been involved in these, okay, since about early 2025. They are a space launch and space systems company, so it's kind of in the aerospace and defense space technology sector. Okay, so they had done well because they've kind of evolved from sort of initially sort of launch services into a kind of broader space infrastructure provider, right, which is all going to become the buzzwords. They've also getting exposure to kind of growing defense and government contracts, right? So that basically helps them. And invariably, they've been developing their neutron rocket, okay, which is one of the main drivers for kind of long-term growth drivers. So Rocket Lab, people are going to be watching these in terms of contract announcements, launch successes, all right, or on the other side of that, delays. And it has been a volatile but a fantastic run. Okay, so I think we talked about these here initially, okay, last year, okay, when it bounced off the weekly 50 period moving average here, when they were just around about 17 18 dollars. Okay, then we were interested again when they came back here. It was about $40 to sort of I didn't get in at the $40 that I wanted. I had to basically sort of eat it a little bit, but we can see that price has kind of worked its way up there. There have been very volatile pullbacks as we are experiencing now, and I'm kind of going to be curious here now to see how do we work out at that big round number of 100. All right, does 100 flip from being resistance here back in January? Can it now act as support? And if it does act as support, all right, is that an opportunity to add, or do we actually need a deeper position? All right. So, as I said, SpaceX has lifted everybody up, but I'll be curious to see, whether that kind of plays out or whether people are just taking early profits. Let's see how that looks at. Okay, certainly, it looks like it's going to be kind of an interesting start to the week for them.